What's going on, YouTubers? Today we're going to polish this tabletop. I just put about 5 or 6 coats of polyurethane on it, and now I'm going to lightly sand it with some 2000 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to use some polish to get a good shine on it. So let's get started. The sandpaper we're going to use just a little bit of water. And just slightly sand it with the grain. This should help eliminate some of those bumps left over from the dirt or the polyurethane and get it extra smooth right before we polish it. Just kind of run your hand through it just to make sure you're getting it all. When we get done with this, this should be really slick. I have to soak the table, but you want to make sure you got enough water in there so you don't damage the table from sanding it too bad. And just sand it with the grain. Run your hand through it. You kind of see a little bit of foam build up from the sanding. If you want to, go over it a second time just to make sure you got everything good and sand it down. Okay, just kind of do one last fill before you wipe it off just to make sure it feels nice and smooth to you. Okay, once you feel like it's nice and smooth to your touch where you like it, then we're going to wipe off all this excess water. Kind of get rid of that little white film. Okay, once you get done sanding, just take you a nice shop rag and make sure it's clean and just start wiping off any of the excess water and that white film. As you can see, it's starting to go away. If you want to put a little bit of water in there to help get the dirt up, it's fine too. After you use the 2000 grit sandpaper and wiped off any foam and get it dried off a little bit, then we're ready to polish. This is the polish I'm going to use, and I'm just using a little polish pad and, of course, normal sander. So it sticks right to it. Make sure you shake up your polish. Put you a little bit on the table, and I like to put a little bit on my pad also. And just polish it on there. So do a little bit of section at a time, and then we'll come off and buff off the excess polish. Okay, after you used our orbiter sander to polish it up, we're going to go get a rag and we're going to do some elbow grease to wipe all the rest of this off. You use the orbiter sander to polish it all up. Then when you use a good cloth to buff the rest of this off, so that way it'd be nice and clean. May have to buff a little bit harder on this to make sure you get all that polish off. Okay, after you buff off the rest of the excess polish, run your hand through it and you can say, man, that shit is slick. Look how good it looks. Nice and shiny and slick. Just get, oh shit, that shit is slick. Be careful. So that's how you polish it. I'll show you an overview of what it looks like closer up. We're gonna call this tabletop done. As you can see, how shiny it is. It's nice and slick. So be careful when you're laying your head on there, you might bust it. Okay, well, thanks for watching my video on how to polish your tabletop. If you haven't watched it, watch my video on how to polish everything in the tabletop. Enjoy it. Hit the like button. Don't take much time to hit it. Just hit that like button, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Later.